Hey guys, Ron here with Rise of Some Properties. Just a reminder, we are a licensed real estate agent and we can help with the entire process of buying a home here in Japan from search to close. We also have a company that we work with that can help with post sales items like utility management, tax representation, and also insurance setup. So we do have everything covered from search to close, and happy to work with you. If you're interested in knowing more about our services, you can check out our website in this video here in the link that goes over everything in more detail. We just had a family stop by who was interested in purchasing here in Japan. They came to the office and met in person. It's always great when I have a chance to do that because most people are living overseas. But if you're watching this, thank you so much for stopping by. It was great to meet you guys, and I appreciate you guys signing up with our services. So this next property is another one in Gero, 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 and it's it's for the price, it's pretty good. I think 6.5 million yen, which is about 42,000 USD. If you compare homes like this at this price point to ones that, you might find in Osaka, bigger cities, especially Tokyo, there's just a striking difference as far as, everything goes really. Size of the home, condition, the environment. This is more in the countryside, beautiful views of mountains, quiet neighborhood. If you look at a 6.5 million yen home in Osaka, it's going to be a lot different than this. Not to say this property doesn't have its own issues. I did see some issues with the foundation. I saw some cracking in there that looks a little bit bad. So I think it's built in the 80s. So this is going to happen. If you are interested in this property or others like it, let me know. This is on the market. As you'll see in the video, I still have longer hair, and this was from a couple weeks back, but I checked before I uploaded this video, so it is still on the market if you're seeing this. If you're interested, please contact me directly via email or WhatsApp. I respond to everybody. Happy to have an initial call at no charge. So thank you guys so much for watching and enjoy the tour. On to the tour of another home here in Gero. Here's the home. This quiet neighborhood, 6.5 million yen, 42,000 USD, one-story 3DK built in 1987, 90 square meters building, 232 total, and not a very far walk from the station. So I did a tour of this home inside. It was looking pretty good. At the end of the video, I do a inspection of the foundation outside. I always do a walkthrough and look to be some things to maybe worry about there. But as you can see, it's in this quiet neighborhood in the mountains, very quiet, fresh air. So perhaps a good property to consider depending on the inspection. Here is a look at the kitchen. It was somebody's holiday home, which I think is kind of common in this area. So there's a lot of things left in the home. Assume all this would be removed if someone decided to move forward with the property. The water was off. And quite a few things in this home. But overall, seemed like pretty good home to consider. Again, I'm a little bit concerned about the foundational. You'll see some cracking at the end. But enough space and some yard garden area that we'll get to at the end of the video as well, with a shed. Here's the living room. It's got those tatami covers covering the wood there. It's not real tatami. This home is shuttered, and you can see when they're open, plenty of natural sunlight coming into the home. Here we are. Door frames are a little bit higher, but still hitting my head at 6 foot. And it's a holiday home for somebody, so there's some things left in the home and probably can be removed, but overall it looks like a pretty decent house. And I like the location, if you're okay being in Gero. Very beautiful area. Popular for hot springs and just mountainous views. Very, reminds me of Oregon quite a bit. So really love this area. And this is, so far, looking like a decent home to consider in the area. You can tell by the length of my hair that this was a couple weeks back before I'd cut it. I did check, this property is still on the market, so at the time of this video coming out, it is available. Here's the Genkon, the front door area. I didn't have keys to get in here, so I went around back, but you can come in through this front door. And 2 more rooms here that are closed off with shoji. Plenty of closet space, storage. Pretty typical, to be honest, but if you're looking in this area, it might be a good home to consider. Most people are not looking off the beaten path in Gero or Gifu in general, but we do have clients looking out in the countryside, which I always think is a good place to consider. If you get out, you look at 6.5 million yen for this property and properties in this area compared to other properties in Osaka, let alone Tokyo, and just the bang for your buck is off the map, really. Here's the 3rd room. This is tatami as well, and then it opens up to the parking. I did park out there. I didn't get it all the way in. I was in the Shacho's Outback. You can get it in there. I just didn't want to deal with it. I wasn't staying long. So see a little bit of cracks coming through all the way through. It's just the way these homes are built. So some wind might be coming in during the winter and summer months. I think this is where they had a fish tank. And you can see the home is still quite filled with their personal belongings. So always nice if it's empty, but typically they are not in the countryside areas because they are second homes and they just haven't cleared it out yet. Here's the bath area. This does have 1 toilet. See that baby pink lurking in the background. This interesting green color sink. I think everything's functional the way it is. This would also be where your washing machine would go. You see this washing machine there. That heater unit up top. So you might want to renovate something like this, but as it is functioning and think it would be fine. So I would consider this home turnkey style. There are some upgrades that you could do, but it is livable the way it is. Here's the 1 toilet in the home with a small sink off to the left. And a built-in heater there. That's in the kitchen, I believe. This is propane gas. See the 2 tanks right there, which is very common if you get out of the cities. And that shed off to the right does come with the property. That's why the land size is much larger, because you do have this garden area right here. Looks like the previous owners were quite into gardening. And then the shed off to the right with plenty of extra storage there. Not a lot of homes come with a garage in Japan, so it's always nice to have. And here is a look at the foundation. You can see some cracking right away there. A little bit of cracking right there, which is always common to have them in those spaces, breathe spaces. I'm not sure the actual term for it. This right there, that looks a little bit more concerning. You see it's pretty well cracked off on the corner. And then there's another pretty substantial crack right there. So that's pretty wide and not really what you want to see. These are things, of course, that we don't know until we get to the property, so I just have to come and take a look. Anything older, I say this a lot, but anything even in the 2000s is going to have cracks in a lot of times. There was the garage. or the carport anyway. And that is the tour. Beautiful area. Gifu is a good place to consider. Thank you guys so much for watching and following along, and stay tuned. Plenty more videos coming.